Welcome to Geneva, where history meets beauty on the lake. Geneva. Nestled on the shores of shimmering Lake Geneva, this Swiss city is a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural splendor. It's a city that embraces internationalism while cherishing its unique heritage. Whether you're strolling through the charming old town, marveling at the iconic Jet d'eau, or soaking up the lakeside ambience, Geneva has something special in store for every traveler. Imagine yourself sipping coffee at a charming lakeside cafe, the crisp mountain air filling your lungs. Picture yourself wandering through cobblestone streets, discovering hidden courtyards and architectural gems. This is Geneva, a city that invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and create lasting memories. Geneva's beauty extends beyond its picturesque setting. It's a city with a heart of gold, renowned for its humanitarian spirit and commitment to peace. As the home of international organizations like the United Nations and the Red Cross, Geneva plays a vital role in shaping a better world. So, pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Geneva, a city that will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression on your soul. A city steeped in history, from Romans to Reformation. Geneva's story is a rich tapestry woven through centuries. From its humble beginnings as a Roman settlement to its pivotal role in the Reformation, the city's past is palpable in its streets and monuments. Journey back in time as you explore the archaeological ruins of the Roman Forum, a testament to Geneva's ancient roots. The city's strategic location on important trade routes shaped its destiny, leading to its emergence as a prosperous center of commerce and culture. Geneva played a pivotal role in the Reformation, earning the moniker Protestant Rome. Visit St. Peter's Cathedral, where John Calvin preached his influential sermons, and explore the International Museum of the Reformation to delve deeper into this transformative period. Today, Geneva's historical legacy coexists harmoniously with its modern identity. The city embraces its past while looking towards the future, making it a fascinating destination for history buffs and curious travelers alike. International Hub Geneva's global impact. Geneva is a city with a global reach, a hub of diplomacy and international cooperation. As the European headquarters of the United Nations and the birthplace of the Red Cross, Geneva plays a vital role in shaping a more peaceful and just world. Visit the United Nations office at Geneva, a sprawling complex that hosts countless meetings and conferences aimed at addressing the world's most pressing challenges. Take a guided tour to learn about the UN's work and witness diplomacy in action. The International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum offers a poignant and thought-provoking experience. Explore the history of humanitarian aid, learn about the organization's life-saving work, and gain a deeper understanding of the challenges facing humanity. Geneva's international character is reflected in its diverse population and cosmopolitan atmosphere. Walking its streets, you'll hear a symphony of languages and encounter people from all walks of life. The Jet d'eau, a symbol of Geneva's spirit. No trip to Geneva is complete without witnessing the awe-inspiring Jet d'eau. This iconic water fountain, shooting a powerful jet of water 140 meters into the air, is a symbol of the city's energy and vitality. Head to the lakefront and watch in amazement as the Jet d'eau propels water skyward at a staggering speed. On a sunny day, catch the magical rainbows that dance in the fountain's mist. The Jet d'eau's origins are surprisingly humble. It began as a safety valve for a hydraulic power network, but its beauty and power quickly captured the hearts of locals and visitors alike. Take a stroll along the lakeside promenade for breathtaking views of the Jet d'eau, with the majestic Alps as a backdrop. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've said au revoir to Geneva. Section 5. Exploring the Old Town, a journey through time. Step into a world of charm and history as you wander through Geneva's enchanting Old Town. This labyrinthine warren of cobblestone streets, hidden courtyards and architectural gems is best explored on foot. Lose yourself in the maze of narrow alleys where every turn reveals a new delight. Admire the elegant townhouses, their facades adorned with colourful flower boxes and wrought iron balconies. Pause at Place du Bourg de Fort, the heart of the old town, and soak up the lively ambience. This historic square, once a Roman cattle market, is now a hub of activity with cafes, restaurants and artisan boutiques. Don't miss St. Peter's Cathedral, a majestic edifice that has borne witness to centuries of history. Climb to the top of the North Tower for panoramic views of the city and the lake. Section 6. Artistic Wonders, Museums and Galleries of Geneva. Geneva's artistic spirit thrives in its exceptional museums and galleries. From world-renowned art collections to quirky and specialized museums, there's something to pique the interest of every art enthusiast. Immerse yourself in the world of art at the Musée d'Art et d'Histoire, home to a vast collection spanning centuries and cultures. Admire masterpieces by European masters, explore ancient Egyptian artifacts, discover the works of local Swiss artists. For a unique and thought-provoking experience, visit the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum. Through interactive exhibits and moving displays, the museum tells the story of humanitarian aid and the ongoing fight against suffering. The Patek Philippe Museum is a must-see for watch enthusiasts and admirers of fine craftsmanship. Explore the history of timekeeping through a stunning collection of antique watches, musical automata, and intricate enamel miniatures. Section 7. Cruising Lake Geneva, Scenic Beauty and Lakeside Charms. No visit to Geneva is complete without experiencing the beauty of Lake Geneva firsthand. Embark on a scenic cruise and immerse yourself in the splendor of this alpine gem. Glide across the crystal-clear waters surrounded by breathtaking views of the snow-capped Alps. Admire the elegant lakeside villas, their gardens bursting with colorful blooms, and soak up the tranquil ambience. Hop off at charming lakeside towns like Montreux, known for its jazz festival and Freddie Mercury statue, or visit the medieval Château de Chillon, dramatically perched on a rocky islet. For a romantic experience, opt for a sunset cruise. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the lake and mountains, raise a glass of local Swiss wine and create memories to last a lifetime. Section 8, Savouring Geneva, a culinary journey awaits. Geneva's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of Swiss tradition and international flair. From cosy bistros serving hearty fondue to Michelin-starred restaurants pushing the boundaries of gastronomy, there's something to tantalize every palate. Indulge in a classic Swiss cheese fondue experience. Gather around a shared pot of melted cheese, dip crusty bread into the gooey goodness, and savor the rich, comforting flavors. For a taste of Geneva's international side, explore the city's diverse culinary landscape. Sample flavors from around the world, from Vietnamese pho to Italian pasta, reflecting Geneva's cosmopolitan spirit. Don't leave without trying local specialties like longueole, Geneva sausage or filet de perch fillets from Lake Geneva. And for a sweet treat, savor a slice of Geneva cake, a delectable almond cake with a light and airy texture. Section 9. Practical tips for your Geneva adventure. Geneva is a very walkable city, but its efficient public transportation system makes it easy to explore further afield. Take advantage of the free Geneva transport card offered by most hotels for complimentary rides on trams, buses, and even boats. Learn a few basic French phrases to enhance your interactions with locals. While many people in Geneva speak English, a little effort to communicate in the local language goes a long way. Pack for all seasons, as Geneva's weather can be unpredictable. Layers are key, especially if you plan on exploring the outdoors or taking a boat trip on the lake. Be prepared for a higher cost of living in Geneva compared to other European cities. Budget accordingly for accommodations, dining and activities. Section 10. Geneva, your unforgettable Swiss escape. Geneva is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a city that will captivate your senses, ignite your curiosity, and leave a lasting impression on your soul. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, its international spirit, its scenic beauty, or its culinary delights, Geneva has something special in store for you. So heed the call of adventure, pack your bags, and get ready to discover the magic of this enchanting Swiss city. From the moment you arrive in Geneva, you'll be swept away by its unique charm. The city's blend of history, culture and natural splendor creates an ambience that is both stimulating and relaxing. So start planning your Geneva adventure today and create memories that will last a lifetime.